Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a memory foam seat cushion. And you see for the one that we got right here is a brand called Everlasting Comfort. And then right here in the bottom you see they do provide some specs and features about the product, and also on the side right here as well. So basically for the product, it does use high quality memory foam material. It has a U-shaped design. The bottom part has like a non-slip material. They also mention how the product is ergonomic. It has a washable cover. It is hypoallergenic. And the material that's on here is heat responsive. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys do open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take it out. So once you guys do take it out, if you see the product is honestly compressed, but if you guys do take it out, first thing inside they do provide guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it, and also show you guys how to clean it. And then once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So you see right here, they do have a sticker to tell you guys know which side is the front. So when you guys do put it down, you basically want to go like this. So you guys want to sit down on both sides right here. And for this side right here and this side as well, it's curved so that way his leg is relaxed when you guys do use it. And then right here on top, you see we do have the brand name. And if you guys notice for the one that we do have right here, it is a navy blue color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But when you guys do feel the materials on here, it definitely feels really soft and very smooth. And when you guys do squeeze it, you can definitely feel the memory foam materials on here definitely feels super high quality, but also feels really comfortable as well, even before I do sit down on it. But right here we do have the U-shaped design like I mentioned. And if you guys turn onto the back, here is basically what the back part looks like. And you see for the back part right here, like I mentioned, it does have a non-slip material. So that way when you guys do use it, it won't move around. And then right here we do have the zipper. If you guys do open up, that is basically what the inside looks like. So inside we do have the memory foam material like I mentioned. And then for this cover, you definitely have the option to take it out, the swirl machine to wash it and dry it using the lowest temperature setting. Once you have it done, you can zip it back up. It's all set. So the way how to design this product is meant for people who just sit all day, whether it be in your office seat or your regular chair, or even if you guys do have a long drive in your car or your truck, that is basically where one of these actually comes in handy. And using one of these is actually really helpful for your posture and any kind of pain throughout your back, your legs, or anywhere else. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm going to go test this out to see how it works and when it actually works, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the seat cushion. If you guys put it down, you have to put it down like this, not the other way. If you guys put it this way, then it's wrong. So now let's sit down and see how it feels. Alright, so once you guys do sit down, this is what the product looks like. So right off the bat, when I do sit down on here, it definitely feels really comfortable. And I do notice how it does help the posture when I do sit down, which is pretty nice. But definitely when you guys do sit down on here, you can feel that comfort and support because of the memory foam material that's on here. So whether if you guys are on your desk or if you guys are driving in your car, it will give you guys that all day comfort and support, which is pretty awesome. But right here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do use it. You can see it definitely does work. Welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of product, and definitely actually does work and should work quite well. So even when I'm talking to you right now, I'm actually using the product and actually feels really comfortable. It definitely gives you guys that all around comfort when you guys do sit down for both like the leg area and also for your butt as well. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, or when you guys are traveling in your car or something, however you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality seat cushion that basically has like a memory foam material on here and everything else that I mentioned, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.